Hello guys, watch how I made over $4,000 in just volatility 75. Now let me show you the trade. It's pretty confusing, but we made it loud already. As you can see, I marked this trade in 1 day time frame. As you can see, the trade is about to break out from itself. This trade is going to go all the way from here to down to this trade. Is actually a down trade. So if you are actually in this trade, you are going to make a lot of money. And I just gave you signal in case you actually want to participate in this particular trade. You should go in and go into the trade right now. You're going to get in and you're going to make massive money. All right. So reason why I took this trade, I've been waiting for this trade for over 1 week now. The trade I've been ranging. First of all, I saw a W pattern shape here. Then I saw multiple reversal here and many other reversal here, multiple reversal here going off, reversal here. Then I knew when I saw these particular candlesticks, I knew this market is going to sell with full selling engaged. So I decided to take this trade. In case you are actually a beginner, you're you're actually watching this video to the first time and you're a beginner in forex trading, you want to learn forex trading, you want to learn market strategies and how to trade and make massive profit. Some of you guys have lost so much in the market or forest, right? They have lost so much amount in the market. If you wanna recover, the only thing I'm here to offer is an account management and a group that will be sharing free signals. So if you want to join us and make massive profits in the market, or you want me to trade for you, is very easy. Just punch the link on my comment section. Link on my comment section. You see the link I dropped on my comment section or my description. You will click on it, it will direct you over to Telegram channel where you will join our free Telegram channel where we make a lot of money in sharing signals. All right. Or if you are still asking a little questions, seeing many of you guys asking some of the questions you guys ask, or punch into my DM right now and I'll be answering every question, every doubt that you are actually passing through in the forex market. So don't blow your account, don't trade what you can actually not lose, trade what you can lose, and trade wisely. I'll see you guys in my next upper video. I'll be sharing some of these signals in my YouTube channel. So what I need you to do right now is to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification button so that you can be able to be receiving notification anytime I post videos like this. All right. Have a nice day. I'll see you guys in my next super video. Have a good trade this week.